Liam, do you see any more Easter eggs? You found some! Good job! Are there any more over here? Good job! Liam, over there. Look, over there. I didn't even know there one was over there. Good job! All right, what about over here? Okay, keep finding some more.
My thing is full.
Okay. Liam, find some more.
I want some more.
No, just wait. And okay, if everyone's basket gets filled, then you can have more, okay? Wow, Liam, look at all those eggs. Look in the Wii controllers.
Okay.
There's some more, Liam, look. Look behind you. Wow, Liam, you're good.
Liam, there's a white one. Look, there's a white one. Get it.
If you want, you can walk around and help Liam find some.
There's one.
I mean, don't let him look first, and then if he misses one, then you can go back. All right, Liam, let's go in the other room and look.
I dropped my eggs.
That's okay. Those are Colin's. Come on, let's go in the other room and look.
I think I already got all of them. So